G'day. Tonight we are going to be heading out into the old town of Dubrovnik here in Croatia, and this is what the old town looks like here. It's quite small, about a couple hundred meters in width, but there's a lot of little different streets and alleyways which I'm going to be going out. I'm going to be using the 85mm and taking some hectic street photos tonight. And a fun fact about the old town, the actual surrounding walls were built between the 11th and 13th century, and I definitely didn't just Google that. But anyways, let's get into the POV. Alright, old town is that way. Let's do it. I just told her to come find us. Alright. Apparently this is like the castle from Game of Thrones, right?
Yep.
This is it. I haven't actually watched Game of Thrones, but
great show.
Apparently this is that castle. So if you're a Game of Thrones fan, this would be fucking cool.
This would be the place to come, yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
You should come here. Well, mate, two pigeons having sex. Fucking hell. Hey.
Hey, bro, don't interrupt them, man.
Oh, sorry.
Hey,
little fucking bit of wetness. What's going on there, mate? Yeah? Come on.
Yeah, your boy be fucking.
Shooting on the 85mm f1.4 from Sigma. It's a really good lens for street photography, but it's also really light, which I like. So it's not like a heavy lens that you're got to lug around like the 70 to 200 or a 105. So I'm going to be using this. It's sharp, gets bangers, and that's what we want. Alright, what can we see? This guy's kind of cool. What else down there? These alleyways are cool, but like there's no real subjects. Yeah. Alright, so I reckon we should head down here, then through some alleyways and come back up, because that's where the sunlight's facing.
I think that's a great idea, bro.
Yeah?
Great idea. Yeah?
Look at this, mate. POV, POV.
Shall Osmo as fuck?
Yeah. Alright. Oh, pigeon. What you fucking pigeon, dog? This is gonna be the world's best photo of a pigeon. Come on. Oh. Oh, you scared it. You scared the pigeon. Alright. Yeah, like that lighting there. That lighting is sick. I'm gonna head up here. Whoa, yeah, we're getting some good lighting down here, for sure. Got my ISO up. Alright, yeah, I want to put my ISO up to like 3/20th of a second so I can put my aperture up so it's not at 1.4, because sometimes if you do that then the photo will be too out of focus. And then we can put the shutter speed up because we're moving and we don't want the shot to be too wobbly. But there's no real light peaking sort of happening. Still a cool shot though. No subjects either. It's alright, I reckon we can find a better laneway. Even here's sick. Nice. Nice. Good shit. You guys want a photo? Photo, ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Just chilling, waiting. Alright, have a good one. No words. Those people apparently didn't speak any words. Hey! Hey! Alright, we're gonna get a good shot of this cat. Hey! Nice. Oi! Hey. Nice. Always love shooting or taking photos of cats. It's a cool shot though. That's what I know. Wait, I get distracted again. Look at all these cats. Hey! Is that cat dead? No, it's alive. Hey, Matcha. Oi! Oi! Cute cat. Alright. Enough pussy. Let's get back onto taking photos. Don't get distracted by the pussy. This guy's running. He was in a hurry. Maybe he got a booty call. And the chick, oh, this is kind of a nice shot. Alright, I don't think we can go any further down there. So we'll have to go down here. Oh, this could be a cool shot if we wait for a subject to walk here. Get a low angle shot. Wait for someone to walk by and it'll be a banger. Got the magic, mate. 3, 2, 1. Hey. We need one person. I'm waiting. Good enough, whatever. Sometimes it's better to just move on as opposed to waiting for one shot. Kind of a cool shot of the things up there. Whoa, look at this doggy. Hey doggy. Nice dog. That is a nice little doggy. Yeah, it'd be sick to get a shot of someone walking up these stairs or down. I'll show you the photo in 1 second. I just need to get the shot. Do you speak English? No English? Okay, that's alright. Nice. My ISO down a bit. Yeah, this is sick. Nice. Let's follow him. Let's walk up these stairs. Need a bit of fucking exercise. Oh, it's a cool view from up here actually. Nice. That was a fat walk. Fat walk for the boys. Australian man dies from cardio in Dubrovnik. Oh fucking. Like this guy down here. Good shot. It's a cool shot. We walk down here. Nice. Yeah, I love how the streets just go all the way down. Oh yes. Banger. So cool. Cool. Bangers, dude. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey. Yeah. Boom. Nearly left him hanging. Not quite though. Alright. Cool. Up here is cool. I like all these all these clothes blowing in the wind. It's a cool texture shot. The sky's a bit too overexposed. Maybe I might shoot it from the other way. Yeah, it's a cool shot. Hello. Do you speak English? Little.
I think it's more beautiful tac à photographier comme ça que
Down.
que quand
Yeah.
on est. Eh?
So go up and then take down.
Ouais, ouais, ouais.
Yes. I love people. Alright. An in focus and an out of focus for the vibe. I agree with what she was saying. Like, it looks nicer to go up these streets and shoot down than it does the other way. Sick. Hey, another cat. More cats. Hey. Hey, Matcha. Don't worry about it. Hey. Come on. Come on, Marty. Nice. Hey. Wow. Hey. Hey. This little cute cat. Oh, it's a pretty cool shot. Looking all the way down here. I've already got that shot like 20 times today. Even that's a cool photo. Of that chair lift going up. There you go, shot. There's someone in this archway. Nice. Good. Alright, we got that shot. Now we can go back into Old Town and go get some other bangers. There's a big cool shot we can get right here of this steeple. Really nice. That's just like a simplistic shot. It's kind of a nice shot of these houses with the mountains in the backdrop. Nice. Maybe a different angle of that shot. Maybe something like this. Whoa. Nice. Oh man, I'm tired. I've lost a lot of energy all of a sudden. But at least we got a nice shot down here. Nice gradient sunset tonight, which is sick. Oh, he looks cool. Wow. I love the reflections Oh mate. Sick. Just a bottle of water, please. Thank you. Goodbye. A bottle of water. Always good to stay hydrated. It's very hot here today as well, so my mouth is getting dry. Alright, that is the end of the POV. Yes, I'm filming this on photo booth because I can't be fucked getting my camera from upstairs, but I hope you enjoyed watching that. I had a lot of fun filming it. All these photos were edited using my V3 presets, which are coming out very soon. They're almost done. But if you also want to get my current presets, they're also good. Go in the description and grab them. They're also good, trust me. If you want to join the Discord, there's 16,000 people in there. You can talk about photography, whatnot, connect with other people. Got a plug. Yeah, whatever. You can figure it out. There's shit in the description. Click on a link, whatever. Have a good one, have a shit one. I don't give a fuck. As always, don't think, just do.